Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have this big Matchbox case, this parcel that arrived just a few days ago from who you know as The Green Onion on YouTube. He'll be linked in the corner at the end of the video and in the description. So he decided to send me some cars, kind of trade, kind of RAOK, so thanks heaps to him. Let's open this box. I know there's some pretty cool stuff in here, and no, you can't see my address. Right, that was taped up really well, so let's take a look. Wow, oh my gosh, there's tons of cool stuff in there. But we're gonna do this properly with a one-by-one unboxing, starting with the Timer Taxi Target Red Edition livery. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Sweet. Oh yeah, here's one I've wanted for a long time. The Target Red Edition Volkswagen Käfer Racer. So this was blue, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. So now this is the red Target livery. Red Edition 1 out of 12. Next up, the Red Edition Baller Mustang from 2018 as well. That's awesome. My first Red Editions. Oh yeah. And here is the Mercedes AMG GT. I think I've got all the colours now. Sweet. The Fiat Lady 2000 from the Red Edition set as well. Sweet. Got a few more Red Editions in here, including the amazing looking 90 Acura NSX. Oh yeah, that looks sick. And probably my favourite, the T2 pickup. I absolutely love this casting. Now I've got the Red Edition, Super Treasure Hunt, and all the variations. So that's awesome to have. Thank you so much to the Green Onion for that. Next up, we have the K-Day colour, the black Datsun 510. Oh, that's so cool. It's from the latest K-Day as of the time of recording. That's awesome. F-Case. And the Zamac 2009 Ford F-150 with special wheels. That's from the 50th anniversary race team set. That's awesome. Oh man, look at this thing. The 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon Zamac Edition. Oh, that thing's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, this box is amazing. Now we have 3 more cars. All of them from the latest K-Day set. So that goes with this. So there's the Datsun Fiat Lady 2000. They've put Datsun on the name now. It used to just be Fiat Lady 2000. There's the white one. It was in black, I think. Blue, probably. Yeah, blue. And there's the K-Day colour of the 71 Mustang Funny Car. I didn't pick up the normal version, so I'll have to do that now. And the white K-Day colour of the 16 Camaro SS. Sick. Oh, this package just keeps getting better and better. Now I've got more K-Day cars. The Ford Focus RS in white with that awesome mapping on it. That's amazing. Didn't actually end up picking up the black one. Or was it blue? Blue. The blue one. But now I've got this one. So awesome. I like this one much better. And the K-Day colour of the 68 Mercury Cougar, now in yellow. I absolutely adore my example of the red one. So it's great to have this yellow one. And next up, the K-Day livery of the Ford Transit Connect. Funky livery there, based on a painting. Not sure who it was by. Probably Picasso. I have no idea. And now the K-Day colour of the Lamborghini Aventador Miura Homage. Now this might have happened in the post, but look at that. You can take it out. That's awesome. So now I've got a loose version, because the fireman sent me this Lambo as well. So awesome. Thanks heaps to the Green Onion. Now, I am not sure about these three. I reckon they are K-Day colours, so we'll just go through them. The Silverado Trail Boss LT. This is a K-Day car from the latest 2019 set, I believe. Let's tilt this down a bit. The Chevy Blazer 4x4. Now, I do think this is a K-Day colour. You guys can correct me on that if I'm wrong. And the Exotic, and I know this one is a K-Day colour, so that probably is too. And now we get on to the goods. The Zamac Chill Mill from 2018. That thing's awesome. I don't think I even ever saw the regular of this. If you go through my videos, probably won't see that. And the Zamac edition, number 9 for 2018, Aston Martin 177. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. I believe there are some loose cars in here too. So, here's one. What is this? Oh, this is a custom. Oh, he told me he was going to do a custom. Oh, that's awesome. It's like a tuned street version of the Mark II Volkswagen Golf. Look at that paint. Wow. I never get paint this good. Wow, that's awesome. And there's the intercooler on the front. The lights painted in, and Real Riders. That's awesome. Thanks heaps. And now we have one more loose car. No, two actually, as I can see. And these nice bubble wrap bags. What are these? Oh, this is a 1974, probably 80s, looking at the wheels. Might be wrong. This is the Porsche Carrera, the turbo. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure this might have been a color changer paint by the looks of it. That is cool as. Might have to restore that. And the next one is, oh, he knows me too well, the Porsche 924. This is up front 924 from 78, original casting date. So that was when casting was made, not when the actual model I'm holding was made. So this was probably 80s as well, looking at the black walls. Maybe late 70s. So that's awesome. Look at the Porsche badge there, the classic looking one. Awesome. I don't have any examples of this casting, so thank you so much to the Green Onion for that. And now, the last car in the box. The Super Treasure Hunt 2015 Ford Mustang. The Baller Mustang Super Treasure Hunt from 2018. Look at that. This was an RAOK. Didn't have to trade anything to get this. So a massive, massive thank you to the Green Onion for this incredible haul. Random act of kindness / trade. I'll be sending you something in the next week or so. So look forward to that. Got some goodies to put in there. So thank you so much once again to the Green Onion. Thank you all of you for watching, and I'll see you next time. So here are all the cars out of the box. Amazing haul. Thank you so much to the Green Onion once again. My favourite cars in this haul are the 2015 Ford Mustang GT, the Volkswagen Golf Mark II Custom. That is awesome. Definitely going to be on my display turntable. And the Datsun 510. And of course, the Dodge Demon. Zamac right there. So, see you all next time. Bye.